Remember the days of staying up late when we snuck in through your window. And your mom got so mad that I couldn't help but laugh when I saw how far back your eyes rolled. And we still don't do what we're told. We'll never get old. We'll never get old. We'll never get old. Yeah, we rode through town with our music too loud, and we sang out of tune every note. And we stood on the edge with your.
Terima kasih untuk semuanya. Selamat ulang tahun suamiku tercinta, Muhammad Ari Al-Fatah ke-30.
Never let go. We'll never get old. Cause one day you look back and realize what matters the most. Don't ever grow old.